What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis, and today we're taking a look at a very special coin, which is Baby Doge. Okay, I'm going to give you my technical analysis as well as my price prediction for Baby Doge coin, which actually broke all-time highs this month of December. So if you guys want to know, your price prediction on a specific coin, definitely comment down below. If maybe there's a very low cap coin and you guys want me to do technical analysis or a video on it, join the Patreon. I think starting at tier number 2, will be when I make videos, because I'll make a special video for you that's unlisted. If it's like a lower cap or super low cap coin or kind of low market cap, okay. But if not, if it's if it's a popular coin, just comment down below. I'll probably get to it in the future. um and here we are doing Baby Doge, which is one that's been recommended in the comments by someone, so shout out to you. But let's take a look at Baby Doge, because this is a special meme coin, and it's a special meme coin because not just because it's Baby Doge, right, but also because it's on BNB. It's on Binance Smart Chain. I know there's other versions on Ethereum, Solana, and all that, but the original one, right, when it first came out, it was on BNB, and I believe that's really the main one in terms of market cap too. So this coin is very well correlated with BNB. And as you guys know, my price predictions are in depth. That's why the video is longer. This is not just, oh, this is the price and there you go. No, my videos are in depth because my goal, guys, is to help you sell at the highest point, right? We're not perfect. We're not getting the exact peak, but 10% from the peak, 20% from the peak. That's that's where you want to sell, somewhere in that range, and that's my goal. And I'm giving you guys all the everything, all the weapons and everything to sell at the best price point, which is going to be very euphoric times. Okay? So, we're not just looking at the Baby Doge chart, which I'm going to get in deep right real quick using my own indicators, which is available on Patreon. But you also got to understand BNB has a big correlation with Baby Doge, right? So BNB, which has been starting to do very well, okay, the last 2 months out. It hasn't, went crazy like other altcoins, but it's starting. You can see how it's looking very bullish. It's starting. It's getting ready to break out and break way above its all-time high. Right. This is a very important chart, BNB, because it's going to be very well correlated with BNB topping out. Right. You want to take profits when this chart, when BNB, does something potentially like that in the future, maybe in the spring. And Baby Doge also does something similar. That's when you want to take profits, not just BNB as well, but Bitcoin dot dominance. These are all charts that you guys got to be looking at if you're holding this coin specifically. Um, and Bitcoin dot dominance. It's an important chart because once this starts to tank, right? Maybe we go up higher a little bit, and then this starts to tank. You're gonna want to take most of your profits like somewhere down here, right? When it tanks heavy, because that's when all coins are just outperforming and it's getting towards the end, just like it did right here, right? Just like it did right here, right here. So this is another very important chart that you guys want to keep in mind and look at. So now we're looking at Baby Doge. This is the main chart for this meme coin, which is it kind of came out about right towards the end of the bull market, not the end, but back in July 2021. And what's funny is Dogecoin actually topped out in April of 2021. It didn't go back to its all-time high back in the fall, but Baby Doge did. Baby Doge broke all-time highs. You can see right here it skyrocketed in October 2021. So we can see this is a special coin coming out at a certain price time. And to be honest, Baby Doge actually, it held very well throughout the bear market. You can see it basically this huge range here that it was in, right? And it's a very reactive coin where it zigzags pretty accurately. You can see how it's just getting resisted at this huge order block right here, which it broke through this month. This is why this month was amazing for Baby Doge, because it broke through this heavy, and I mean heavy, bear market resistance. Okay, look, we top out in the same range. We get rejected again here in 2023, and then 2024 this spring, and then here we are, we break right through it, right? So this coin is looking very good here for the future. It's looking very good, and it's going to get to once all coins and meme coins start exploding again, and we have a flow blown altcoin season. This coin is going to go in price discovery super high. So um let's take a look here at some price targets, my price prediction regarding this coin. Let's pull up a Fibonacci real quick, right? Let's get its previous all-time high. Let's actually get it right here at the wick. There we go. That looks pretty good. So according to Fibonacci, which is usually very accurate, and wow, you can even see right here how it rejects that 0.23, right? That 0.23 is heavy bear market resistance, which we broke through this month. So, most likely BabyDoge, since it's a very reactive coin coming down the market, has everything to come back down here to test that 0.23 as support, because this was heavy resistance. So for sure, I see this coin possibly into January, or even this month or something, coming back down and testing this as support, potentially flipping that support and then bouncing off, right? Doing something like that. So this is why, you don't want to chase green candles, especially when it's past all-time highs. You kind of want to be patient. So at the short term, I would be patient with BabyDoge. I wanted FOMO in. All right. Now, in terms of long term, if it does come back down here, which would be, in my opinion, a good time to buy more, right? If you're bullish on this coin. Looking at the price targets, okay, conservative price target here, that 0.27 brings us to, I don't know how much zeros that is, guys. You can count it yourself. What is that, like 7 zeros, right? It's like about 7 zeros in 12, right? So 12,032 to 1528. Realistically, it has everything to top out somewhere in here. Okay. But if it goes wild, if it goes crazy, of course, following BNB and other meme coins, that 618 brings it up here to 26, right? But it's still 7 zeros, I think. 6, yeah, I believe it's still 7 zeros, but 2616, right? Which brings it to that 618 based on Fibonacci, of course. And look, this has everything to top out in the spring. So you might see some, pullback January, end of December, whatever. And then we have that next leg up, doing something like that, top out right here, and then we start the, possible bear market, right? Or even if we don't start the bear market, that could be the top, right? We have a big correction, and then in the October we come back, and then we possibly go near the top, but we create a higher low, and then we go lower. Okay, so you got to understand that a lot of coins don't top out in the same season. Last bull market, Dogecoin hit 73 cents in the spring, and then back in the fall, it didn't even get close to 73 cents. I don't know exactly. I think it was like somewhere in the 20s, but it didn't even get close to 73 cents, Dogecoin. Meanwhile, a lot of coins went, past all-time highs in the fall again. So not every altcoin will top out in the same exact month, the same exact season. Okay, I'm just showing this because if we get to these levels here this spring, that might be the time to take all your profits, to be honest. And none of this is financial advice, right? We can even pull here. We can check this pendant here that it's been in, that it broke, right? We can get the measured move. Let's try to get the measured move here. Of course, it's not going to be 100% accurate, but you can see here approximate the measured move here from the breakout. It brings us near that Fibonacci target, right? Look at that. Perfect. So somewhere, look at this, not to be exactly, but somewhere in between right here has everything to be the top for BabyDoge. So, from, like I said, 1573, in under 20, what was it? 26, right? So that's the thing. If we are, and I hold this coin too. So if we are in March, April, and we are at these levels right here, I don't care how euphoric the market is, I'm taking probably all my profits. Also, combining that with BNB, because I'm pretty sure BNB is going to be way up here if that happens, right? And also combining that with Bitcoin dominance. This is why I show you guys these charts. This is a in-depth price prediction, right? Bitcoin dominance, maybe we're down here, right? This all the way down here. Guys, that's like a bunch of flashing signals telling you that the top is in. The top is 90% probably in. You see? So that's, that's what I see here for BabyDoge. Now it might not happen that fast. Maybe it does top out in the fall, right? Maybe we have a slower rise, which I think would be great. And then we top out possibly in the fall in the year of 2025. But either way, the signs will be there. The signs will be there. The targets, which I just shown you guys, for BabyDoge, and I do expect this coin to run because it's a very bullish coin based on the charts. We broke out of a very psychological resistance here, which I do believe, again, like I said, don't FOMO in. This is coming back for sure to flip it as support, which is healthy. It's good. Okay. So again, guys, if you guys want to check out my indicators, right, I have fib waves, I have these oscillators and these other ones, join my Patreon. Comment below the next thing. By the way, I have a playlist. This is going to be added to the playlist. So far we have Theta, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and now BabyDoge. If you want to I'll probably put the playlist here in the cards if you want to check out my price prediction playlist. But there you guys go. That's BabyDoge. Comment below the next coin you guys want me to do a price prediction, technical analysis, full deep dive, and I'll definitely do it. But I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching till the end. And again, join the free Telegram Cryptopolis. We're almost at 1,000 members. This is the freest, funnest crypto community in the world. So love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.